Hello, Ghana for your friend me Gilgod Arthur. Some person me can soma can see you who dia. Montesto NSRM. Gilgod GILLGOD to the short code 1633 on all networks. And that day you mami babeti what's in it say Ankwando be by Adolfo and Soma yes Madam was.
Bonsam. Aha. All right. Yentie the judges Rebecca afa Gilgod performance no at home. How is he?
Wow. Sene me kan no sa obia ya de na mom eya na watie instrumentation no ubesa ubeyi keche but ma wadwen kɔ enwom na oto no so what you say se onim na meka no aha o chia kakra bi ɛwɔ hɔ but ubesi time no nti no che say why ade say u film no san ba ye mini nkɔfɔ bebrɛ film a ɔmo mbabiom na keyboard se no di ɔmo chi saa na ye yi film na ye ba saa basa ba wo u film no san ba mu ɛno kyerɛ sɛ ye kyerɛ wade a why ade pa kɔso a o time no the way I to her life no me feel say ukita sa voice no for her life enti no sua more what why are there
right yanko akwawa
Gilgo, don't you say my show will be now or let me be honest with you, eh? Otunyum to say penny. You sing like a pro. Otunyum was Oyana.
Patron.
Because so we now shall see with the dancing and everything. It's just a wooden dear way, you know. What must say? Says here, the Rebecca, they say you keep practicing because Omoba Hanawa also know you guys have the voice, so better. Now the extra na Rebecca on and the better the Oko Fiedi, the Orca. So when it comes to the voice, you have it. When it comes to dancing, you're good at it. Dimitri Meka, Adia Mimu, but then practice and then add the extra in honor. Why are they in a good show?
Thank you.
But say my Gilgo. Obedience. It's one of a coffee and any ray. Hey. What there and you know who vote to my favorite contestant next now on there and to fast one and now